The word bubble market was derived from economic bubble. Some use it inflated bubble or inflated values. Bubble market is not just because inflated value in real estate. It's also because of the debt that you have to take when you buy a property today for $100,000. Tomorrow you want to sell the same property for $150,000. So you're going in a bigger debt. But just in the month of December last year, we had a resale value was up by 19%. The sales were up by 72%. So 19% is high, it's very profitable. But if it continues going up, there's a chance that we might fall into a situation like the United States. So what are the new 3 rules? 5 years fixed rate mortgages. Second thing is the refinancing is no longer 95% of the property value, 90%. And the down payment for investment properties, 20% of the property value. These new rules are really affecting investors, but when it comes to first-time home buyers, the effect is very limited. Because the 5% down payment and 35 years amortization period haven't been changed. If the situation is not getting better, they will implement new rules where the 5% will increase to 10%, and the 35 years will be reduced to 30 to 25 years. My personal observation, what happened in the United States is that they had good values for their property. Since the crash happened, all the property value went down. What Canadian government did, they saw the situation might arrive, and they understood from the United States market. They simply implemented new rules. They modified the feasibilities. By doing that, they slow down the market before it gets to that point. Thank you very much for today.